Introducing the Mobility Stair Lift, the perfect solution for quick, safe, and comfortable patient transportation on narrow stairs, weighing less than 18 kilograms and featuring telescopic handles. This lightweight chair allows a single paramedic to lift and guide with ease, reducing strain. Its durable aluminium frame supports patients weighing over 25 stone with twin lap belts and rubber wheels for steady, secure descent on various surfaces. Easy to clean and quick to assemble, it's designed to keep your team prepared and your patients safe. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the PEPE Stair Lift, the ultimate solution for safe and easy patient transport up and down stairs. Its lightweight design and intuitive features make it perfect for hospitals, nursing homes, and emergency rescue situations. With adjustable safety belts, foldability for storage, and durable aluminium and steel construction, this stair lift ensures reliable and secure transfers. Whether for evacuation or daily assistance, the PEPE Lift is your trusted partner in safety and convenience. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable solution for rescue emergencies? Check out the manual stair chair. Its foldable design makes it easy to store in ambulances or fire trucks, while the sturdy aluminum alloy frame can support up to 350.53 pounds. Equipped with lockable wheels and adjustable headrests, it offers maximum convenience and comfort. Whether navigating stairs or flat terrain, this multi-purpose chair is perfect for rescue teams. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the comment. Discover the folding stair chair, a versatile and durable solution perfect for emergency situations. Crafted from selected aluminum alloy, PVC, and rubber, it is scratch-resistant, rust-resistant, waterproof, and built to last. With a weight capacity of over 350 pounds, it offers maximum safety with adjustable headrests and safety belts. Its foldable design allows easy storage and transport, while four wheels with brakes, smooth movement and stability. You will find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Desconocida StairLifts, your trusted solution for safe and easy stair descent. Crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy and waterproof PVC, this lightweight chair weighs only 20 pounds yet supports up to 300 pounds. Ideal for gently sloped stairs, it transforms descent into a secure and comfortable experience. Its foldable design saves space, and heavy lockable wheels improve mobility on uneven ground. Design. Safety. It includes two safety belts and an adjustable headrest. You will find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the manual lift stair chair, your ultimate mobility companion. Its foldable design makes storage and transport a breeze, easily fitting into car trunks for outdoor adventures or home storage. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy and PVC, it's durable, rust-proof, and lightweight for effortless handling. With two directional and two steering wheels, moving it around is simple and flexible. Plus, it's easy to clean with just wipe. Maintenance hassle-free. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Desconocida StairLift, your ultimate mobility companion. Its foldable design makes it compact for easy storage and transportation, measuring just 40 inches by 20 inches by 8 inches when folded. Built with strong aluminum alloy, it supports up to 350.53 pounds, ensuring safety for most users. Equipped with two steering wheels and two directional wheels, it's simple to move anywhere. Perfect helping with stairs or transferring patients. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.